हेलो बिगिनर्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल बिगिन टू कोड। मेरा नाम है अमन एंड आई एम स्टार्टिंग दिस चैनल टू अपलोड कोडिंग ट्यूटोरियल्स। स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम टुडे हम सब स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं कंप्लीट पाइथन प्रोग्राम कोर्स बिल्कुल स्क्रैच से। इफ़ यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट प्रोग्रामिंग तो भी कोई बात नहीं है, क्योंकि हम लोग सब कुछ बिल्कुल शुरू से सीखेंगे और अपना लेवल अप करेंगे। We won't just do theory, but we will look up on coding examples and tutorials too, so you can all make your foundation strong. आप सबको इस कोर्स के साथ एक हैंडबुक भी मिलेगी जिसमें मैंने हर टॉपिक कवर किया है लेक्चर वाइज। इस पूरी सीरीज़ को मैंने टोटल 14 पार्ट्स में स्प्लिट किया है। सो दिस इज़ द हैंडबुक आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट, दैट इज़ कंप्लीट पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग हैंडबुक। इसमें मैंने लगभग हर टॉपिक कवर किया है that is needed for Python programming, like lecture 1 introduction to Python and Python basics, second variable expressions and input and output, core data types, operators and expressions, conditional statements, flow loops like for and while loop, functions and recursions, strings, advanced data structures, oops is a very important topic in Python programming, modules and built-in packages, file handling operations, exception data handling, and regular expressions. In the last, we will do some mini projects too. So, let's start with our lecture one, that is Introduction to Python and Python Basics. I have also prepared the presentations of every lecture so you can read them after the lecture. So, coming on the learning objectives, in today's lecture, we are going to understand what is programming and programming fundamentals, understanding what code is and how computers execute instructions. Then, environment and setup, that is installing Python and installing VS Code in our system so we can do some coding. Then, Python ecosystem. What is Python? Python history and its practical applications. Then, syntactical controls, that is master writing comments, naming identifiers, and syntax constraint. Now, coming to the programming, as we all know that Python is a programming language, so let's understand what is programming. So, as you can see here, programming is a systematic process of writing instructions that directs a CPU's execution path. So let's take a simple example. Let's say I am telling something to start a bike. So I will give some instructions to him, like पहले क्लच दबाओ, उसके बाद लीवर को नीचे करो and then kick it. Just like that, we give some instructions to the computer so it can process it and perform a specific task for us. And that set of instructions are called programs. So we understood what is programming and what it does. Now let's coming to the Python. So Python was created by Guido and Rossum in 1991. उन्होंने इस प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का नाम एक शो के नाम पर रखा और उसके बाद ये प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज बहुत फेमस हुआ और बिगनर्स की फर्स्ट चॉइस बना। ये प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज सीखना सबसे आसान इसलिए है बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स सिंपल सिंटैक्स, designed to emphasize readability, use white space indentation, constraints instead of brackets, creating natural coding layouts. Also, its syntax is just like English language, like print to print something, input to get an input, just like that. Now, integrated nature. Code is executed line by line, which avoids complex compiler overhead setup and allows fast sandbox testing. Now coming to the dynamic typing, no explicit declaration needed for variable types, means no need to declare variables here. It can already detect what is the data type and variable type. Now coming to the real world applications, Python has a lot of applications in today's world, like web development, build massive server-side architecture, APIs, and microservices using Django, Fast API, and Flask. In AI and data science, the industry standards language for training large language modules, PyTorch, Pandas, NumPy. These all are modules that is already present in Python. In DevOps and automations, simply tasks perform scrapping and control deployment pipelines using Ansibles, Clary, and Scrappy. Now, environment setup. Let's install Python and VS Code in our system. You just have to go to the browser and here you can write VS Code. Going to the site, open the website. Now just have to download it for your setup. Anything you have, Mac or Windows or Linux, it is available on every setup. Just download it, save it. It will start to download in your download manager. Will take some time. Depends on your internet speed. Alright, it's downloaded. Now you just have to open it and copy the steps I am doing so you can directly install it without any glitch. Alright, it's open now. I accept the agreement. Next, just leave it as it is. Next, check all the boxes. Next, then install it. It will install in few minutes. So VS Code is fully installed and opened in my system. Now in here you have to make a folder so you can save your codes in that. So basically go to the file, then open folder. यहाँ या तो आप लोग एक नया फोल्डर बनाइए या फिर अपना पहले से कोई फोल्डर है तो उसमें से रख दीजिए. मैं अपना एक डेस्कटॉप पे फोल्डर बनाने वाला हूँ named Python course. Simply Control plus Shift plus N to make a new folder. Name it Python course. Select it. Now we are in that folder. Now we have to make a file that will be our Python file. So simply either click on this icon or go to the new file. I'll click on this so it will be in the folder only. Here, name it. I will naming it as lecture1.py. Here is an important thing, that is why I have written .py in the last. Because Python has a extension that is ends with .py. It's necessary so our Visual Studio Code can understand that we are creating a Python file. As you have also seen that games file are .exe, video files are mp4. Like this, Python file has extension .py. So we have created our file that is lecture1.py. Now let's see what's next. Now we are going to write our first program of Python. So get excited. Here, the basic thing, print. So we will write print parenthesis C. Here a very crucial and very beneficial function of VS Code, that I only click on one parenthesis, that is the left one. It automatically gets the right one parenthesis on its own. In double quotes also, it automatically gets the next double quotes. Now here we will write hello world. See, we have written our first Python program. Let's run it. Here terminal will be open when you click on this run Python file. It will take some time to execute it. See, it's fetching my Python file from the directory, and now hello world is printed. See, we have written our first Python program here. Now let's see what's next. Now, how Python works. Firstly, the source code. Developer writes human readable commands in the text format saved with a .py extension. That is, this is the code we have written that is human readable. Now, bytecode compilation. The Python compiler translates the source instructions into standard low-level byte saved as .pyc files. Our computer cannot read or understand our language, that is .py, that is source code. So Python compiler translated for computer in the low-level bytecode saved as .pyc. Then PVM interpretation. The Python virtual machine, that is PVM, reads the bytecode sequence, executing operations line by line using native hardware instruction set. Now coming to the core syntax and rules. Now, identifier naming rules. Let's see what are the identifiers. So identifiers is a user-defined name used to identify a variable, function, class, module, or any other object. So let's see what are the naming rules of identifiers. Firstly, character start. So character must always begin with uppercase, lowercase letter, or an underscore. Numeric restrictions. It cannot start with first value, that is numeric value, like 1, 2. As you can see the example, this is invalid. Now, no special characters. You cannot use a special character in starting of any variable name, like @ $, percentage, and any other special characters. Now, case sensitivity. The Python is a case sensitive language, that is lowercase and uppercases name present entirely distinct variables. Now coming to the keywords. What are keywords? Keywords are the reserved symbols utilized internally by the interpreter engine structure. They cannot be used as an identifier. So let's see how many keywords there are. Coming to the VS Code, here we will write import keyword. We have imported the keywords here. Now we will see how many keywords are there. So print len keywords keyword dot KWList. As you can see here, VS Code is giving me the suggestions to write the further. So how will I take it? Just click the tab and the suggestions will be written here. Now run it. I'm running it. So it is printing hello world, that is this program, and the all the keywords here are 35. As you can see in the PPT also, there are 35 keywords in total. So now we have seen how many keywords are there. Now let's see the keywords actually. So I will write print keyword dot KW list. Let's print it. See, these are the keywords here. Let me copy them and paste them here. Here is a problem in VS Code that the line of code will be here is a problem in VS Code that if you write the code, then the length of code will increase and it will go out of the screen like this. So how to resolve it? You just have to go to the settings, command palette, and here you have to search for toggle world wrap. You just click it and see, आपका कोड अब इतने में ही आ गया है. Now you can see all the keywords here like false, none, true, and, as, assert, await, break, class, continue. These keywords have their own reserved meanings and used in different situations. Now let's see what we have further. Now effective documentation, single line comments and multi-line comments. You can see if I want to comment out this hello world, how will I do it? Just either put hash in the front of it, sorry, here. So this whole line will be comment out, or there is another way. Just remove the hash, click Control plus slash, the slash in the left of the right shift, just press it and this thing will be comment out. This is the single line comment. Now let's say multi-line comment. Let's say I am printing this whole thing. Let's say like this. Put the double quotes here. I'm taking it as an expression. Now printing it. Now how will I do multi comments? Put double quotes 3 times here and here. The last I have put it 2 times. Now as you can see, this whole thing is now a comment. So why is comment used? Comment are used to make our code readable and to remember things. Just like, let's remove this, and just like, I want to remember that this was my first program. So I will write here first program and I'll comment it out. So I know this is my first program. Now before it, I will type keywords and comment it out. Now I know this is all my keyword word. Okay, so in small programs, keyword comments are not that important, but in big programs, in big projects, we have to use comments, so our code is neat and clean, readable and easy to understand. Now let's see what is next. Now, pro tips and pitfalls. There are We have some precautions here. Now, pro tips and pitfalls. Avoids overrides. Never use built-in keywords or utility functions like print or str as variable names. Override them, break system libraries routines. Now, does it mean? We don't have to use print and or str or like that, that is built-in keywords as our variable names, because it will create the problem later. Now, white space or indentation. Indentation are used in Python, so we can make our code clean, and we can identify that which code is written inside which part. Like, let's see an example. I will teach you if and else later, but right now for indentation I will show you. If a greater than, no, just take variable a equals to 9. I am taking another variable, that is b equals to 4. Now let's see, if a greater than b, then print a is greater than b, and don't forget the double quotes. If you make if you write this thing inside the double quotes, it will print it as it is. Now let's else print b is greater than a. Now let's run it and see. So you are seeing this white space, this is the indentation. It's showing us that this print is written inside this if. See, we got the answer, that is a is greater than b. A is 9 and b is 4. This condition is true, so it prints this, that is a is greater than b. Let's comment this and write indentation example and comment it out. So we understand indentation. Now, practicing habit. We have to practice our Python regularly. Make small projects, very small, like just calculators, small calculations, and printing something. And as we level up our skills, then we will start making games like snake games and all, water gun games, just like that. Now, here are some coding exercises for you. You can practice them and make your skills better. I am pinning the handbook in the description so you can read it and prepare you prepare yourself for the next lecture. Some homework assignments too. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If anything, any doubt you have, you can put it into the comment section, or any query or any suggestions for my video, you can put it into the comment section also. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for the next lecture. Bye bye.